A very good morning, friends. How are you? When I said friends, I mean students. Why? We are the same age, isn't it so? Huh? Yeah. All of you understand Hindi, English both? So you will promise me two things. Number one, when I am speaking, you will not speak. And second, if you have to ask something or say something, raise your hands. How many of you have already decided what to do in life and career? Raise your hands. Okay, it is almost half. Forget about it. भूल जाओ. For about what time है? कितना बजे तक हमारे? 1 बजे तक. Forget what you have thought and listen to the speakers with an open mind. Promise? Then you can come back to this again or whatever changes you make in your life. Siddharth ji, you were asking, telling them how they chose their 11th and things like that. You see, generally what I have seen, students how they choose. I asked a young girl, बेटा आपने कॉमर्स क्यों लिया क्लास 11th में? तो पहले तो हंसने के बाद पूछा सर सच बताओ? मैं बोला बताओ. Sir, we are 4 friends. 3 has chosen this. So I thought I should also, otherwise dosti jud jayenge. As simple as that. As simple as that. And secondly, I used to ask children at one time, how kya banoge, life mein, this, that. So formerly they used to say, many of them used to tell me, sir, doctor. Nowadays when I am asking, nobody is saying doctor. So I ask them, why don't you want to become doctors? Sir, कौन इतना पढ़ेगा? किसने साल पढ़ना पड़ेगा? So then I ask them, फिर बनोगे क्या बनना चाहते हो? Sir, ऐसे कोई बात नहीं मतलब जो आपका मर्जी बनाओ. मगर 2 कंडीशंस है. कंडीशन नंबर 1, कम से कम मेहनत हो. कंडीशन नंबर 2, ज्यादा से ज्यादा माल मिले. If these 2 conditions are satisfied, we are game for any career, friends. And children, very attractive. If somebody is telling you there is a career where कम से कम मेहनत हो, ज्यादा से ज्यादा माल मिले, they are telling you a lie. Without hard work, you will not achieve anything in any field. Remember that. Otherwise, they are misleading you. So remember, and many times children ask me, Dr. Ravindran, tell us the name of a career which has maximum scope. I say that's a wrong question. Every career has scope, provided you have chosen it after knowing your strengths and limitations. Are you with me? You understand? It is not as if this career has scope, that career doesn't have. And by the time when you will be reaching a stage of choosing actually what you want to do, many new careers will be born. Many of you will be joining fields and careers which are not even born today. Are you getting what I am trying to say? So please understand, the first thing you will have to think is not about careers. Not about what is there, how much money I will get. This is not the question. The question is, do I know myself? मैं खुद को जानता हूँ. Many a time, even after completing their post-graduation in an interview, many a time I have seen when I ask a person, हाँ, बताओ, अपने बारे में बताओ. ऐसा पूछते हैं, क्या? अरे कुछ तो बताओ. People don't know about themselves. The first step in choosing career should not be thinking about careers. Are you getting it? Think about yourself. What am I? What are my strengths? What are my limitations? So there is a process. Fantasies are not the basis for career choice. I mean, somebody came, told about something, and you saw some heroes or somebody in a movie, and bas, yahi bano. This is not the right. These are fantasies. What is right? There is a scientific process. what we talk about, first of all, the first step is to know yourself. खुद को जानो पहचानो. That's very important. When I say, let me ask you a question, you can answer in a chorus. One child is excellent in mathematics, another child is wonderful in English language. Who is more capable? Who? Tell me like this. Are you very sure? Excellent. This is what I wanted to hear. Many a time, people are under the impression somebody choosing this is wonderful, somebody choosing that doesn't have. So ability-wise, both of them may be equal. Are you getting it? However, there is something which is different in them. That is what they call aptitudes. Do you understand what is an aptitude? I'll tell you. Just a simple example. बिजली का कोई सामान खराब हो गया. A person like me will sit down and cry or curse the country. But I have seen a class 7th boy picks up a screwdriver, goes and start correcting it automatically. And after some time he says, "Mama, iska fuse kharab hai." How did he know? Because there was something innate in him, something almost inborn, which makes him inclined towards a particular thing and not something else. You must have seen children who can add within a jiffy. A person who cannot add 3-4 items if it given. So we say this child has this aptitude, this child has another aptitude. Are you clear? Are you getting some idea about what I am talking about? Now, is it sufficient to have abilities and aptitudes? Not really. There is something called interest also. I still remember this old story. I was addressing a group of girls and I asked, can anybody say they have a special ability or an aptitude? One girl stood up and said, "Sir, I have a special ability." बोलो बेटा, what is it? "Sir, मैं मेरा hair pin से कोई भी ताला खोल सकती हूँ." मैं बोला, बढ़िया बेटा, चलते इसी को करियर बना डालते, ताला खोलिंग करियर. Then she said, sir, no. I may have an aptitude, but I don't have interest. Are you finding the difference? You may have aptitude, but you may still not have interest. But fortunately, aptitudes have a lot of innate aspects about it. But interest can be developed. So what did I say? Your abilities, aptitudes, interest, and there is something called personality. Personality is not what I am talking about, how you look, how tall you are, all these things. Now psychologists do not look at personality in that way. Personality is how you carry yourself. Just to tell a simple example. What is your name? Rita. Sahita. Look at Sahita. She was one day sitting in the what you call drawing room and studying. Somebody came, घंटी बजाई. What does she do? अपना किताब इकट्ठा करती है, अपना कमरे में घुस जाती है, फटाफट. मम्मी बोलते, बेटा शाहिदा कम से कम पानी पिलाओ वो अंकल को. क्या करते? पानी एक प्लेट में ले आएंगे, ऐसे ले पानी पी ले. Namaste uncle. She runs. She is not interested in interacting with people. हम ऐसे करते हैं, इनको पकड़ के MBA in sales and marketing कराते हैं. क्या होगा? इसका जो होगा, कंपनी का भी बट्टा बिठा देगी, बर्बाद हो जाएगी. But that means she has no career. You never know. Someday we see, her photograph in the newspaper, and it says the young scientist of the year, because she was not interacting with people much, but she was interested in something else. Her personality is not being with people, but whereas look at her with these glasses. Yeah, how is she? She was waiting for the bus. बस आने में 2 मिनट लेट हो गया, रहा नहीं जाता. कोई खड़ा था, उसको जाके My name is this, I want to become this. किसने पूछा? किसी ने नहीं पूछा. But and इनको पकड़ के लाइब्रेरी में किताबें उठा के रखने का काम ले लिया. वैसे मर जाए. Are you getting what I meaning by personality? So your abilities, your aptitudes or special abilities, every one of you, if you look and reflect, you will understand there is something you are very good at. Many things you are good at, but something you are extremely good at. And your personality. Maybe you are a person who wants to work with people. Maybe you are not a person who wants to work alone. That's a possibility. And there is the last but not least, value systems. And when I ask children, many of them have, especially this part of the country I have seen, many of them wanted to go for government service. Then, है ना, सिर हिला रहे सारे, and government service. Then ask, क्यों बेटा government service क्यों चाहिए? Sir, कम से कम कोई निकालेगा तो नहीं. And someone says, I will never go for government service because there is no incentive. I mean, there is no growth. So people have certain different kinds of value systems. Somebody will be looking at working hours. Somebody will want to spend time with family. Somebody has no problem traveling 6 months, no family. So it's all depends. So first thing is know yourself. After that, yes, start searching. I remember, one young girl came to me and told me, sir, आपके जैसे साइकोलॉजिस्ट बनेगी. क्यों भाई? सर मजा आएगा. क्यों मजा आएगा? स्टेज पे खड़े रहो, बच्चों से मजाक करो, बढ़िया जिंदगी कटेगा. मैं बोला किसी दिन मेरा क्लिनिक में आके बैठो, सुबह से 8 बजे से शाम को 11 बजे तक लोगों का दुख दर्द सुन के, I know in the beginning of the career I thought after a few days मैं खुद एक फूल लगाता हुआ सड़कों में दिखाई देगा, because कितना दुख भरी जिंदगी लोगों का है. So don't look at the rosy picture only. Don't look at Dr. Ravindran on a stage. Also find out what is that career all about. It's very important not to be taken in by the glamour you hear about a career. Go into. I remember one young boy telling me, sir, I want to become a chartered accountant, CA. अच्छा बेटा, ये chartered accountant करते क्या है? ये तो नहीं पता. So today is a day for you to find out who does what. I have simply come to give you a pep talk and maybe certain general questions in the beginning. But there are experts here who will be talking to you in smaller groups also, bigger groups also. Listen to them very carefully. This is not a day for picnic. This is a very important day for you, and you are getting an opportunity to listen to experts who have come from even out of country. Mr. Yusuf has come all the way from Boston. Am I right? And Professor Professor Naveen has come all the way from Delhi, and many of them will be talking to you on various topics. And you will also address Professor Ram. You will be talking to them also. So you have a what you call array of professors sitting here. Listen to them. Ask a lot of questions. Questions which are relevant. Don't ask questions like, sir, did you have a girlfriend when you were in school? Not that, because this is not a silly platform. You will be taking it very seriously and go back. However, there are one or two other important things. Many a time, children tell me, sir, we hear very negative things always. Friends, do not believe people predicting doomsday. Do not believe in people who are, there is a saying, you should be hopeful. And I, for one, sit on either side of the table. I'm on various selection boards, when we select people, interview boards, and I can promise you, whether this country or the world as a whole is not as bad as people picture it. Again, many times I have seen elders sitting down and having conversation at home or other places, talking things like, सब कुछ खत्म है, corruption, रिश्वत, recommendation, ये सब सुनने के बाद फिर बच्चे को बोलते जाके पढ़ लो. बच्चा बोलेंगे क्यों पढ़ूं? रिश्वत के लिए पैसा इकट्ठा कर लो, हम पढ़ के क्या करेंगे? Absolutely wrong. Absolutely wrong. If you have the capabilities, if you have skills, and if you are ready to put in hard work, there is enough space at the top. Are you understanding what I am trying to say? And tell me otherwise. And your backgrounds do not matter. Your backgrounds, which kind of school, where you study, that is not. If the school is giving you this opportunity, all of you are very fortunate. Can I tell you one thing? This is a country where I have addressed students from schools. You are all from what they call the elite kind of schools. I hope you understand. And what is the percentage? 0.000. I don't know how many zeros after 1% of students sitting here. But there are schools where hundreds of children and one teacher, two teachers. No place to sit. These are the types of schools that we have in this country. Therefore, you have a great responsibility. Are you getting what I'm trying to say? You are all, I'm not worried whether you will become engineer or doctor or lawyer or MBAs or IAS officers or anything. I'm not worried about it. I am interested in every single child sitting here becoming the leader of the profession they choose. Are you getting it? If you become something, don't become the leaders, because you are having the what you call opportunities. You are having people to talk to you. How many schools or how many places in the country have such platforms created? So consider yourself fortunate, but also think about those who are less fortunate. And आपका तो करियर बनेगा ही, आपका तो करियर बनेगा ही. I am very sure about it. And you will become leaders of the profession also. But however, my request to you will be, I mean, consider it as a request, because I see a lot of hope when I, Professor Keshav, look at them. I'm overwhelmed. I'm overwhelmed. Many a times, हमारा बुढ़ों का एक आदत है ऐसा बोलने का, हमारा बाद क्या होगा. But when I see you, मुझे ऐसा लगता है जो भी होगा हमारा बाद ही होगा, आपका साथ होगा. I mean, you will take the country and the world to a different level altogether. Do you promise this? Yes or no? And will you only think about yourself only, or you will at least think about at least 100 other people? I will look at you, people who are creating opportunities for others. That is the type of, leadership I will expect from you. I will be meeting you again with all your questions and all. So wish you all the very best. Thank you very much. And also, I would like to say one great thing for you and the teachers who have brought you up. I just made one request: when I am speaking, you will not speak. And you require a big clapping for the discipline. You are a group of disciplined people, disciplined. I don't know how many thousands are sitting here. Siddharth, is it they are in love with you or me? I'm very happy. I'm very happy. Such a big audience, and not a word, not a, what you call it, it's almost like breathless. You are just sitting and listening to people. This is a great capability. This will take you to next level of achievement. Wish you all the best. Thank you very much.